These images are generated by MidJourney and ChatGPT. Open midjourney.com. Click on Join the Beta. You will get a Discord invite link. Click on Accept Invite. You are in the MidJourney Discord server. Choose one of the newcomers channel. Not type /imagine space, and then anything you want to create. You have to accept terms of service for the first time. Now it will take 1 or 2 minutes to generate an image. You also need to scroll up and down to see response for your request. This is what we got. It gives 4 images. U stands for upscale and D stands for variation. To create cartoon characters, type this in the prompt. It will generate some random cartoon characters. Let's generate a superhero cat. And here we have options to upscale images, or we can choose one image and create 4 variations. You can click on the image to view it. Let's upscale image 4 by clicking U4. This is a higher resolution image. We can make variations of this image. Click on Make Variations. To create cartoon from an image, copy link of the image and paste it into prompts. And add cartoon character animation and --Q5. Q stands for quality, and it ranges from 1 to 5. And it will convert the person into a cartoon avatar. Let's upscale the first image. Let's use ChatGPT to generate a description of a natural scenery view for us. Now ask ChatGPT to descend it to nouns and adjectives separated by comma. Copy this. Type /imagine and paste it here. And this is the art created based on text of ChatGPT. Look at this. Click U2 to upscale the second image. Let's create some other description about robots on the road in future. Then descend it to nouns and adjectives. Copy this. Type /imagine. Paste the text here. And these are another 4 images based on description from ChatGPT. Try to use ChatGPT to generate text and then use MidJourney for text-to-image generation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.